be brawling in the studio, but there might be some balling.
Yeah.
Because in honor of Barbecue Fest, our friends at New Wing Order are challenging me and you to a wing eating contest.
I was wondering what this was all about. Gents hooks me up with White, and now you challenge me to a wing eating contest? I'm in.
All right, let's do it. Thanks for tuning in. Another thrilling hour of pro wrestling action. On your mark, get set, go.
What are you doing?
Don't tell him, but I gave him the New Wing Order's Inferno wings, and he obviously can't take the heat. Fans, we'll see you next week.